Hello dear students, we have completed exercise 4b. Now I am going to start with exercise 4c, which talks about additive inverse, subtraction and how to add two rational numbers. So when I talk about additive inverse is the number which will be added, to particular number so that the resultant that you get should be 0. If I say what am I going to add with x so that I get a 0, you know that if I add a minus x to it, so x and minus x will give you a 0. Let me show you with the exercise questions. Question number 1, bit number 1 says, find the additive inverse of each of the following, where the first bit is 3. Now, what am I going to add with 3 so that my resultant will be 0? So, if I add a minus 3 to 3, I am going to get 0. So, additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. So, the basic trick behind it is the sign of the given number and the additive inverse are just the opposite. If you have a 3, the additive inverse will be minus 3. If you have minus 3, the additive inverse will be plus 3. This is the trick how you can remember. In the third bit, you have 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2, what will be the additive inverse of 1 by 2? This is for simplification to show you itself. So, if I add a minus 1 by 2, I am going to get 0. So, therefore, the additive inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. I hope additive inverse is clear. Now, question number 2 says that you have to subtract. When the question says subtract 1 by 2 from 1 by 4, children, remember when we write from, that means the first number will be written first. So, if I say here 1 by 2 from 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is what the question means. If you simplify and see, so in a simple form, if I say subtract 5 from 10. So, 5 from 10 means 10 minus 5. Isn't it? This is the simple mistake that you all make when you are subtracting. So, 1 by 2 from 1 by 4 means the second number will come first, then minus the first number. So, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. You know how to find out the LCM now? We know that LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So, 4 into 1s are 4. So, 1 into 1 will give you 1 minus 2 2s are 4. So, 2 into 1 will give you 2. So, here it was a minus sign. So, 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1 upon 4 as the answer. Now, question number 3 says, find 2 by 3 minus 7 by 8. If I take the LCM of 3 and 8, 3, 2, 3 over here, 2 4s are 8, 2, 3 over here, 2 2s are 4, again 2, 1s are 3, 1 and 1. So, I am getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 4 into the 8, 8 is a 24. So, I got it as LCM as 24. Now, 3, 8s are 24. 8 into 2 will give you 16 minus 8 3s are 3 into 7 will give you 21. So, 16 minus 21 is greater number is a negative sign. Just look at it now. So, we are getting minus 5 upon 24 as the answer. The third bit, 7 upon 12 minus 3 upon minus 8. Children, remember, whenever a rational number has a negative sign in the denominator, we make it positive by multiplying minus 1 to it so that the negative sign goes to the numerator. That means what I am talking about is 3 upon minus 8. In order to make it a negative in the numerator, I am going to multiply minus 1. What I did? Multiplying minus 1. Where we have to multiply? Both in numerator and the denominator. So both in numerator and denominator we are going to multiply minus 1, so that we get the resultant as minus 3 upon, now minus 8 into minus 1 will give you 8 itself. So minus 3 upon 8. So now we are going to write it 7 upon 12 minus, this is for this. Now this minus has turned into, which has gone to the numerator, minus 3 upon 8. Now it is easy for us to simplify. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. If you want, you can, I'll just show you here. 12 and 8. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 2, now 3, 1s are and 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 6 into 4 is 24. Now 12 2s are 24, 2 multiplied by 7 will give you 14, and minus here 8 3s are, so 3 into minus 3 will give you minus 9. Therefore we have 14, minus into minus will be plus, 14 plus 9, that is 23 upon 24 as the answer. So this is how we have changed the sign from the denominator. We have taken the negative sign and we have taken it to the numerator. We have to do this always, children. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with minus 1, so that we can make the denominator positive. Before adding or subtracting it, the denominator has to be positive. Coming to question number 4. Question number 4 says the sum of two rational numbers is 13 upon 18. Question number 4, first bit says sum of two rational numbers is 13 upon 18. One of them is given to you as 5 upon 6. So you have to find the other. So let me write the statement. Let me take it as x. So let the other number be x. So according to the question, other number is x and we know one of them is 5 upon 6. The sum is 13 upon 18. So 5 upon 6 plus x, because we have considered the second number as x, and the sum or the resultant is given as 13 upon 18, right? So in this case you can see 5 upon 6 has a plus sign or a positive sign. So this is shifted to the other side of the equal to, and you know it that when we are shifting a rational number to the other side, we get a opposite sign. Here it is of positive sign, it will go to the other side, now it will become negative. That is, x is equal to 13 upon 18, this was plus 5 upon 6, will go to the other side, minus 5 upon 6. Now simply subtraction has to be done. What we have to do? We have to take the LCM of 18 and 6. So the LCM of 18 and 6 is 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, now 3 3s are, 3 1s are, again 3, 1 and 1. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18. So 2 into 3 into 3, that will give you as 9 into 2, 18. So we got the LCM as 18. Now 18 1s are 18, 1 into 13 will give you 13 itself, and 6 3s are 18, so 3 into 5 will give you 15. So 13 minus 15, greater number is in negative sign. So 13 minus 15 will give you minus 2 upon 18. You can reduce it to the standard form. 2 1s are, 2 9s are. That is minus 1 upon 9 is the answer. What is this minus 1 upon 9? Minus 1 upon 9 is the other number, that is x. x is minus 1 upon 9, which will be added to 5 by 6 to give you 13 upon 18. You can just check your answer by substituting the value to it. Question number 5, first bit says, what should be subtracted from minus 1 upon 3 to get minus 1 upon 2? Again, you have to see that what is subtracted from. When I say from, that means the second number will be x. So let the number be x. Minus, so according to the question, minus 1 by 3 subtracted. So minus x subtracted, x is subtracted from this, will give you minus 1 by 2 as the resultant. Okay. Now you can see that this minus 1 by 2, if I'll take it to the other side, I'm going to make it plus. The sign will change to plus, and minus x, when goes to the other side, it will become plus again. So minus 1 by 3, I'll take it to the other side, plus 1 by 2 will give me x. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 3 2s are 6, and 2 into minus 1 will give you minus 2. 2 3s are 6, plus 3 into 1 will give you 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 upon 6 is equal to x. So we got the value of x as 1 upon 6. This is the way how you are going to do your questions, by assuming the number as x. Now question number 6, first part. What should be added to minus 3 by 4 so that you get 7 upon 6? Same way, let the number be x. The number 2 that we have to add to minus 3 by 4 be x. So, according to the question, minus 3 by 4, we are going to add x to it. X is the number that we have assumed, is equal to 7 upon 6. Same way, if I take this minus 3 by 4 to the other side, minus 3 by 4 when goes to the right hand side will become plus 3 by 4. So x is equal to 7 by 6 plus 3 by 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Hope you know. Or else I'll show you here. 6 and 4 LCM. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 and 1, 3 1 and 1. So 2 into 2 into 3, 4 into 3, that is 12. So at 12, now 6 2s are 2 into 7, that is 14, and 4 3s are, so 3 into 3 will give you 9. 14 plus 9 upon 12. 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 upon 12 is your answer. So children, with this we have completed exercise 4C, and I'll let you know which questions to do in your maths classwork copy, that is your single copy in which you are doing your work, and the rest you have to practice. Thank you children, and take care.